Hi guys, this is Trisha. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then my channel is all about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, food, travel vlogs and much more. So if you want to stay tuned to my channel, then you need to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today's video is a NYKA haul. So I just ordered some stuff from NYKA a few days back. So I just got the box today. So I thought let's film a haul and I'll unbox my box and I'll show you what all I bought. So before moving to the video, I want to share something with you guys. So we're just going to we're going to be a family of 100 subscribers. I know it's not a big number, but it's a milestone for me. So I decided to put a giveaway for you guys. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, you need to do a few things. That is, you need to subscribe to my channel. Secondly, you need to like this video, and then you have to follow me on Instagram, and then comment down below what product you like in this video the most. So that's it if you want to participate in the contest. So and now let's stop chit chatting and let's move into the video. So I want to unbox this box now. The NYKA people, they give such a tight packing and it's very hard to unbox it. I think I need a knife. I'll just unbox it. Oh, I'm a pro at it actually, unboxing stuff. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so first thing is the Nivea Soft Moisturizer, Light Moisturizer. It's packed with vitamin E and it's very good for your skin. If you have dry skin, it's very good for you. I have dry skin. I am allergic to pollution and stuff, and I think it is very light for my skin. It's not harsh, and I'll just tell you how it is by reviewing it. So you can see, it's the texture and everything. It's like it just gets dissolved in the skin, and I really love this one. So I always use Nivea Soft, so I think I have finished my my entire box, and that's why I just bought it. Okay, so the next thing is the Maybelline New York, the Blush Nudes palette. So this one, I have never tried this one from Maybelline, but yeah, if you want me to review this one and if you want me to film a video with with this product only, then of course comment down below. Okay, so the next thing I got is a lip shade. It is Lakme 925 Creme Matte Primer Matte Plus Matte, and it's in the shade MB13 Caramel Cut. So I really love this shade. This is my favorite shade, and I use it like daily. I wear it on a daily basis, and I really love it. Earlier it used to be with the name Scarlet Drill. Now they have changed the name to MB13 Caramel Cut. So if you used to use Scarlet Drill one and if you're not getting it, then the thing is that Lakme have changed the name to this one, and it's a similar shade. I'll just swatch it for you guys. So it looks like this. It's a perfect nude color for me. I just love this one. Okay, so the next thing that I got is Lakme, again Lakme. So I got Lakme Absolute Material Skin Moisturizing Natural Mousse. So I am not a big fan of foundation, so I use mousse instead of foundation. So and it's really amazing. It has a full coverage, and I'll just show it to you. I'm also wearing the same mousse right now as my base, but I'll show it to you. Okay, so I'll swatch it for you guys. So here it is. You can see it just get dissolved in the skin. It gives you full coverage, and it gets dissolved in your skin. And I don't think so you need a concealer after this. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing in my box, let's see, and the last one. Okay, so I never use concealers because I always use the Lakme mousse, so I'm not a concealer person. But I thought, you know, whenever I'm not in a mood of putting a base or something like that, and if I'm going like, you know, for a day out or something, I don't like to apply that much makeup, so I thought I'll just buy a concealer. So I just saw Komal Pandey's video where she was using a Color Bar concealer. My friend was suggesting me to use Maybelline Fit Me, but I think this is more convenient for me because it is a stick kind of a thing. I'll just take it out and I'll show you guys. And it's very cheap. It's like, I just got it for, I guess, 600 something, 500 or 600. I think it's very cheap. Okay, so it looks like this, and I think it's amazing. I'll just open it for you guys. Okay, so it's a roll-on stick, and I think it's very convenient for me. I'll just swatch it for you guys. Oh my god, this is such a, like, oh my god, it has a full coverage, man. And the color, the shade is actually perfect for my skin. I thought that I'll get a wrong shade, but I think this is a perfect shade for me. And okay, so this is in the shade, it's a full cover makeup stick. You call it Color Bar USA full cover makeup stick, and it's in the shade Warm Beige 003. So it's in the shade Warm Beige 003. So you can get it from NYKA. And yeah, that's okay guys, that's it for this video. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and comment down below which product was your favorite and which product are you going to buy from the NYKA box. Okay, again I am going to remind you guys of the giveaway. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, then you need to be a subscriber to my channel, so subscribe. Then you need to follow me on my Instagram page that is linked down below in the description box, and you need to like this video and comment down below that what you liked from the box. Okay, thank you so much everyone. See you on next Friday.